Alright, so, you clicked on this video to increase your discipline. Well, let me tell you, it certainly can. Increasing your discipline will help you be more mindful and make you do the right habits. Oh yeah, I forgot to ask you something. Do you think you're disciplined or not disciplined? Answer in the comments below. Sorry for wasting your time. Let's get into the video. The first and most important way to increase your discipline is meditation. Now you might be saying, what is meditation? Meditation is being present at the current moment. When you start meditating, let's say you've been meditating for about a month, you notice that you're more mindful of what you're doing. When you are mindful of what you're doing, you tell yourself, no, I will not do that bad habit I'm trying to break. If you want more information about meditation, you can click on this video. The second way to increase your discipline is to change your self-image. I guarantee you that if you change your mindset of seeing yourself as a person who is disciplined and strong, you'll start to believe it and act like that person. There's a book called Psycho-Cybernetics by Maxwell Maltz, which basically tells you that changing your self-image or identity, you'll act like the person who you believe you are. So, if you think you're that overly confident guy who is always happy, then you'll start acting like that person. The third and final way to increase your discipline is to be grateful for it. I know, a lot of people might be saying, what do you mean? Why should I be grateful for suffering? Well, my friend, let me tell you something. Once you do the hard work, like working out for example, when you're doing the hard work you might be thinking, oh man, I don't want to do this. But after, you'll feel so great. You might be saying, wow, I'm so proud of myself. If you not do the hard work, in the present you'll be comfortable scrolling through TikTok or Instagram, but in the future you'll regret not doing the hard work, saying, I wish I worked out earlier in the day. You feel like shit. I've been almost disciplined for almost a year, but once I start doing this and I did the hard work, especially when I don't feel like it, if you say, oh, but sharp-minded, I don't feel like doing this. If you're not going to implement this advice that I gave you, then click off this video. I'm waiting. Alright, for those people that have stayed, I just want to say thank you for watching until the end of this video. I really appreciate it. Make sure to like and subscribe if you got any value from this video. And also, hit that little bell to be notified. This is the end of this video. Thanks for watching.